Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on people who share your interests on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark. I know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on saved, then you come to a next window here on your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for your window like this, then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just click here on notifications, then you come to notifications window and you just click here by email, then you come to email notifications and you just go down here and you come here to people who share your interests. You just click here and like you see this color show for us, that's maybe people who share your interests. It's turned on now, so that's all you have to do to turn on this mark on your Pinterest app. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.